Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Ultimate Top 5, and today we are going to discuss about a very interesting and astronomical topic, which is top 5 galaxies we know till today. So first sort out what is solar system, Milky Way and galaxy and universe. First of all, what we know at our level is our planet Earth rotates around the sun with many other planets, comets, dust and moon become one solar system. Billions of such solar systems come together and make one galaxy. Our galaxy, which is known as the Milky Way galaxy. Many such galaxies come together in billions definitely and become one universe. I hope guys you know. So in increasing order it will become planets, will become solar system, will become Milky Way galaxy, and all galaxies will come together and make one universe. Today we are going to discuss about top 5 largest galaxies we know till now. So guys, let's get started. At our first rank we have the largest known galaxy is IC 1101. To date the brightest galaxy that we know is IC 1101 and it is classified as a supergiant elliptical galaxy. For your information, galaxies are mostly elliptical or spiral. As an elliptical galaxy, it contains an abundance of law of medium mass, red and yellow stars, most of which are quite old. At the center, there exists a supermassive black hole which happens to be the largest black hole ever discovered. It has an estimated diameter of 4 million light years, making IC 1101 40 times larger than the Milky Way and likely contains over 100 trillion stars. At second rank we have Hercules A. The elliptical galaxy designated as Hercules A is the second largest galaxy known to exist, and like IC 1101 it is classified as a supergiant elliptical galaxy. Other than its size and galaxy type, not much is known about Hercules A. And there is a reason for this. The supermassive black hole at the center of it is currently emitting two gigantic beams of radio waves. These beams are so energetic that they make it difficult to study the rest of the galaxy in detail. Even these beams of radio waves are gigantic, measuring over 1 million light years in length. Third is A2261 BCG. It is the third largest galaxy known in the universe, having a diameter of 1 million light year, roughly 10 times the size of our Milky Way. It is a supergiant elliptical galaxy and is estimated to contain over 10 trillion stars like our sun. And it is rather strange galaxy for one simple fact: it does not contain a supermassive black hole at its center. It is located 3 billion light years away from us. At our fourth rank, the fourth largest known galaxy in the universe is ESO 30617. With a diameter of roughly 1 billion light years, like the galaxies discussed previously, it is a supergiant elliptical galaxy, yet there is something that makes this particular galaxy unique. While most galaxies find themselves within the vast cluster of galaxies, it is alone, with all of the surrounding space being empty. Astronomers believe that it may have once been one of the many galaxies in its area, yet it eventually merged with and absorbed every nearby galaxy, causing it to grow in the size and become one of the largest known galaxies in the universe. It is roughly 500 million light years away from us. At our fifth rank we have Comet Galaxy. The Comet Galaxy is the fifth largest known galaxy and the first of the list that is not an elliptical galaxy. The Comet Galaxy is spiral galaxy that measures 6 lakh light years across. It is also one of the fastest galaxies in the universe, moving at a speed of 2 million miles per hour. As this galaxy speeds through space, it is actually being ripped apart by the gravitational force of other nearby galaxies. These gravitational forces, combined with the speed of the galaxy, cause the formation of vast tail of material, making it look like a comet. The Comet Galaxy is located 3.2 billion light years away from us. So, guys, here we complete our ultimate top 5 largest galaxies we know till today. Definitely, like other videos, we have honorable mention in this list as well. So, at the 6th rank, we have Condor Galaxy. At the 7th rank, we have UGC 2885 Galaxy. At our 8th rank, we have ESO 44446 Galaxy. At our 9th place, we have Tadpole Galaxy. And at our 10th place, we have Andromeda Galaxy. So guys, if you like the content and you get some knowledge about our ultimate top 5 galaxies, then kindly like the video, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get regular notification whenever we upload a new video. So guys, see you again with some more pioneers in their own field. Till then, take care, goodbye, Jai Hind.